What is up, guys? Long time no see, and I believe it's feeding day for all of these guys, and a couple of rehouses for this one, and a couple of these guys. So let's get into it.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never.
So what is up, guys? We're going to be doing the rehouse of my Singapore Blue into this big one, and then we're going to do my Venezuelan Sun Tiger into that one, and then we're going to do the other terrestrial ones because they're way easier, and because these guys are known for being bolty boys, so it's best to get the fast ones over and done with, I guess. And yeah, we'll get to doing this. So let me try and find him first. I know he's in here somewhere, although I don't know where. Although I saw, the only problem with me is that this was the one that decided he wanted to run away, and he was very scary when he did, because then he came back with 4 legs. Oh God. Okay. It's bolted somewhere. It gave me a fright, and I don't know where. Oh, that scared me so much. Okay, catch cup. Oh, catch up. Oh, let me use this one. It might be for later, but oh, I don't know where it went. Oh no. Did it go up or down? I don't know. Oh no. Where did you go? No. Oh no. Okay, right, he's on the floor. I just found him again. The bugger. He just keeps escaping. Oh, he's way. Oh no. Okay, right. After some time, I've caught the little rat bugger. Look at him. He's on some plexiglass sort of stuff. I'm just gonna try and get him in his closure as fast as possible. So give me 1 minute and then we can admire him afterwards. This is how far we have this unfortunate fucking... As much as this is my favourite species to have, this is how far we have got with this little bugger. Just that there. Little ball of fluff. Oh, I'm so cute. Look at me. I like running everywhere. God. Stop. Just stop. Just go. Right, don't go all crazy, please. Oh, no crazy. Okay, there we go. That's sort of good. Oh, there we go. No. No crazy. Oh, so good. Oh, okay. So he's got himself. Oh, there we go. Nope. Okay, right. Uh-oh. Okay, lid goes on first. Oh. So he's behind, there's a bit of wood there. He's behind that, so we'll leave that at that. We'll do another rehouse and hopefully... Oh my god, it's literally been an hour just trying to get him, because I had nothing flat to put under thing. Hopefully the other one goes smoothly. So that was my Singapore blue. Oh, I'm gonna die. And my Venezuelan sun tiger is going in its old enclosure, this one. I'm just gonna wash it all out and everything. I'll be back with you. So this is, let me get it in the light. This is roughly the setup. So the Venezuelan sun tiger probably goes somewhere there, and then it will set up a web curtain somewhere there and probably either come out the top or something like that. And that's what they normally do, my one has done now, which is set up like a web curtain and throw dirt at it. But hopefully we don't get a runaway again, because that will, oh, it's too much. My baby heart can't take it. My poor little baby heart. Oh my god. Oh sugar. I'm dropping everything now. Right, so I'll bring you back a little bit. And hopefully you'll be able to see it go inside if I can find her. Oh, okay, I see some legs. Her or him, I don't really know which one it is. Ooh. At the moment, I'll know when I see, I guess more colour. More colour means a girl, less colour means a guy. So we're hoping for a girl. I see some legs. Oh, there she is. Just don't be crazy. We've had enough crazy today. No more crazy. There we go. You're doing great so far. That is nice. Nice looking tarantula. What do you guys reckon? Do you guys reckon a girl or a boy? Just looking at the sling. I know it's unsexed still, but what do you guys reckon? Girl or boy? And if you have any name suggestions, go for it. Oh, sorry. Oh, crazy. You have crazy legs, man. Uh-oh. Oh. Well, this isn't good. Oh, it thinks that I am... Oh, he's doing a little mini threat pose. Look at that angry little face. Boop. Look at that. Something so small doing a little threat pose. Look at that. Or I believe it's a threat pose. Oh! A little strike. He's not happy. Not happy at all. Well, love, you sort of have to come out because I'm putting you in the bigger house. Not happy. Oh, I really wasn't expecting this today. Well, I was expecting the bolts and things, but not like the little strike that this little monkey did. This little crazy guy. And she's probably not gonna cooperate with me. That's what that is. Not cooperating. There, look. To turn your enclosure sideways now. Go on then. Up you go. There we go. Go, go, go. Oh, sorry, I'm not getting that for you guys. There we are. There's the shadow of the demon. Up and over. And there we go. God, that was the best rehousing of an arboreal I've ever had. Oh, I'm sweating so much from the Singapore blue. But I sort of expected it, really. I mean, the last time he done it was when he was little. And he came back with 4 legs. And that's why we called him Mr. 4 Legs for ages. Yeah, she's all good. And we'll move on to terrestrials now. So, whoop. Okay guys, so I'm going to be getting my a Cantascore and a Geniculata, or the Brazilian White Knee. I'm going to be doing a little rehomey home, and they've also molted from the last time, so now they have these nice patterns on them. If I can get you a nice shot, compared to last time when they were all just like little tiny white spots. Now look at them, they're nice bright white legs like we want, and a nice ginger butt. That's what we want to see. And we'll get her in here, and hopefully she doesn't do any crazy bolting and everything. Hopefully not, otherwise I will poo myself. I won't, I might, but I think she will be fine anyway. Bigger fangs you have, bigger fangs. There we go. Right, okay, I think this is going to be a mostly rehousing video, as well, I mean, we'll feed some in this video as well, and we'll try and feed the ones that have been rehoused as well when we've done the rest of them, and yeah, and we'll just try and go from there, sort of thing. So let's go on to the next one. Okay, so the next one on the running list, sorry, I'm breathing really heavily because of all the bolting, and because I'm sort of not wanting to rehouse this one, because Bumba Cabocula, or the Brazilian Redhead, is quite notorious for running around like a headless chicken. Let's see if we can get him out, shall we? Please don't run everywhere. It would be very nice if you didn't. Okay, there we go. Ooh. There we are. Bumba Cabocula, or the Brazilian Redhead. As you can see, that's why they're called the Brazilian Redhead, because they have a red head. Funny enough, who would have guessed? And and a nice velvet bum by the look of it, nice and reflective. And we're going to give this guy a lovely new home, and hopefully he likes it, because it's nice. It's a lot deeper than this, and he's got a lot to dig around in. Sorry, such amateur work from me. But yeah, look at that, looking stunning. I will also turn the brightness up again, because it's a bit dark in here. Only a bit. I mean, I have the light on and stuff, but it's a little bit dark. Right, on to the next one. So this is my Lasiodora parahabana, or the salmon pink bird eater. I love this species. They're amazing eaters, they're good. Well, they're too feisty, to be honest. I would say they're one of the good beginner species, because they put on a lot of they put on a lot of leg, considering when they molt, which is really good for people who like fast growing species rather than slow growing species. As you can see, here's a tiny butt, but hopefully soon we'll be changing that. He molted a couple of weeks ago, I think, so there's that, and we will be putting him in a, I don't know where I've put my tongs now. There they are. And we'll be putting him in here. Sorry, I'm going out a lot, but yeah, that way he'll have a lot of new substrate and a new place to do his things. It's all settled there. Shuffle that over. Yeah, he's all lovely and settled, that's good. At least he's not running around crazy. Right, that's all the terrestrials sorted for this video now. now to move on to the feeding part of some of these guys. So we shall do that. Whoop. Guys, is my P. Sasme, who molted not too long ago. What are you going to give her? A nice wormy squirmy. And hopefully she takes it down, but she's not had live food or anything. So maybe might find it weird and stuff. Go this way, please. She might just react a little bit different to most of the tarantulas. Or she might just grab it, I don't know. I hope she grabs it, to be honest, because I don't want her to, or him to starve, because it'll be poo. Are you... Oh, oh, there we go. Oh, he grabbed it. Looks like he was doing a butt dance then. A little wiggle. So this one is my cobalt blue, as you can see, a nice pet hole rather than an actual tarantula like the other ones. We just have a pet hole, a lovely pet hole. No tarantula in there, just a pet hole. But we'll see if she's hungry today. Oh, wow, yes, nice. Oh, and she's gone. As quick as that was, she's gone. Right, okay, I guess that's a signal to go on to the next one. One is my Nandu carapoensis, or the Brazilian red. It might be in pre-molt, but oh, okay. That looks like a semi-pre-molt butt, but let's see if they will eat. If not, then they just won't eat, and then we'll just not have a feeding video, and then we'll cry. We'll have to cry about it. A little butt, so cute. Yeah, sorry, I've misaligned the shot. Give her a nice juicy one. Okay, they went to go and attack it. Apparently not. There's a normal... Oh, what is it? It's food. Eat. Oh, there we go. Even in possible pre-molt, she still wants to eat. I hope. Please. I don't want to be waiting here for so long. Sorry, you can probably hear loads of stuff going on. Don't worry about that. It's just me. There we go. That's what we wanted. And that beetle is, that larvae, or beetle larvae, whatever you want to call it, is toast. And we'll do some watering as well. Because it has been quite hot here in the UK. So I've been giving these guys extra water. So they... Oh, well, only on one side, so they can be rehydrated. Mostly. Look at them two menacing legs ready to eat you. Look at that. It just looks something out of a horror story, doesn't it? Here comes a tarantula to come and bite your face off. Yeah. Right. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, hello. Whoop. This one is one of my South African baboon species. I can't remember the name. It's Haprica something like that. I'll put it down below. But she's a pretty mean eater. She eats quite a lot, and she's done a lot since the last time we visited her. She's webbed up a lot. Yeah. Obviously her substrate is very dry because she's South African, so you know, that's how it be. I'll give her a nice big juicy one, see how she reacts. Oh, there we go. It's gone. Oh, we were hoping you'd stick around. That's a bit poo. She's made like a tunnel all the way down, really far down, like they would do in the wild. which is pretty cool. It is pretty cool to see like wild behaviors and burrowing and stuff in tarantulas. Just to me, I think it's pretty cool. But how do you guys feel? Tell me in the comments if you have tarantulas or anything like that. And I have some unfortunate bad news as well. Our lovely girl of the mantis world has passed away. Paradox. She passed away about a week ago. I'm not sure from what exactly, but personally I think it was from just old age, and I think it was just her time. It was her last time she was going to molt, and that was it. Sort of sucked, but it happens, it's life. But we'll move on to the next one. Whoop. This one is my Coxetalana species Pubella, one of my rarest tarantulas in my room. You might not be able to see it down there, but I may be able to entice her or him out. I may be able to, if I move some of this dirt out of the way. You might. Whoa! It's crazy, man. Oh, okay. Back into the hole. Right. Okay, feeding time. So that is a hungry girl. She's hungry. I thought that she wouldn't be hungry because normally she's not. But today she is. Oh. I don't know if you guys saw that, but she just snatched it. It's just gone. Might be able to turn it up a bit. I mean, that might be a little bit better actually. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. That's a better sort of look. She's lovely down there. She looks all cozy, and she's got her little meal, so she'll be alright. We'll leave her alone. This is my Quezon. I put the proper name for it, but this is my Quezon Blue Earth Tiger. As you can see, absolutely minuscule, but hopefully if I can get a small enough worm, we'll see her take it down. Because I've never actually seen her take down a worm, but I've seen her eat, so yeah, we'll go off of that. There we go. We might see something. Oh, just nothing. Just a load of nothing. Is that what that was? Oh, back off into your hole, are you? After I offered you food? Take this horrid bit out. Put it in the bin. Hopefully. Hopefully we can get her to eat. Come on. Come on, little one. I know you're small. Or maybe what I'll do is I'll cut it in half. Or I'll, yeah, maybe what I'll do is I'll cut it. Oh, okay, I've got it strung up now. I'll cut it in half and I'll leave it in there for her. But she doesn't often eat on camera, so I'm not really surprised, to be honest. They sort of prefer to do their own little thing. But yeah, so far that's been all my collection, other than the ones that I've rehoused. If you like the video, then give it a big like, give it a subscribe. I release a video every Wednesday, every 2 weeks, because I have a small collection at the moment. I can't do big ones all the time. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a nice day, or have a nice week, or have just a pleasant day. And yeah, enjoy yourself. See ya. Bye.